Hello, welcome. Speedy on the mic again. So this today we're just moving with some simple things, but I'll explain so that you can really see the meaning of those simple things. Just by playing this line I just played, if you listen to it, you can't really hear like it's not a finished line. Oh yes, that's true. But what I found on this line, on this bass line, I found almost more than half of the chords you can play in a Sungura bass, if it's not maybe 80%, because like check, we have octaves, we are pulling, we have this chord here, this one, and this one, and this one. It's another chord there, another chord again here. So you can see we have a lot of chords there. Yeah. So just by playing this line, we have a double here on a thick string. I know some like to play doubles on this string, but sometimes when you kind of give a deep meaning to your bass line, so and you can, once you play this bass line, another thing that I think is of utmost important is your shapes. If you just try to learn this without firstly try to check which shapes I'm using, just use your ears, right? If you use your ears first to, you can, okay, check here. So one position bass line. So try to use your ears first, and then once you get the bass line, now you can explore more on the chords beat by beat by yourself, right? Because the most important thing is for you to get these chords and start to use them in your next bass line. See you in the next video. Pity on the mic.